Hello, my old school soul food subscribers. Chef Jeffrey back with another video here on my old school soul food dishes. Today I'm gonna be doing an item that's so moist, sweet, delicious, creamy, all in one. My sweetened condensed pound cake. I haven't made this in a while, but it's awesome. You know what I mean? I use this cake when I make strawberry trifles. I use a pound cake to make trifles. Sometimes I just eat it like that. And you know, it's awesome with whipped cream, strawberries on it. So I'm gonna be making it in my 6x, it's about a 5x9 inch loaf pan. Usually I make it in the bump pans, my pound cake, but today I'm gonna use my loaf pan. So let's get started here. Very simple. Recipe gonna be in the description of the video, so I just put stuff there and get it started. And let's get started here. I got eggs, butter, flour, sugar, vanilla, baking powder, and of course the sweetened condensed milk. So very simple ingredients, probably already got in your home. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna cream the butter and the eggs together. It's really creamy here. Cream them up there. Start getting a glass bowl where y'all can actually see my what's going on in the mixer. You're gonna get a lot of air up in here, so it's gonna got a couple of minutes. Scrape down the sides too. Make sure it's really incorporated good, the sugar and the butter. Like I say, you can double this recipe too and get your 2 loaf pans, or if you double it, you can actually get a nice bump pan. Okay. You're going to do this till all the sugar kind of get incorporated into the butter. This is salted butter. And when I use salted butter, I eliminate the salt in the cake. If you use unsalted butter, you add salt to your flour. But to eliminate that, I always use salted butter, and I just leave out the salt that it calls for in the recipe. Okay. Now I'm going to add the egg slowly. One at a time here. Real simple. Straight down the sides again. Do that periodically so everything gets really incorporated really good inside. One more. Simple. And you'll see, you probably can't see it from here, that when you put the egg in, it kind of separates from the butter. So when it comes back together, that's when you add another egg to it. Again, I'm going to scrape it down again. Say that's what's important. Scrape down the bowl. Keep it scraping down. All right. Now we're gonna add the vanilla and the milk. Condensed milk. all that in there. All that milk in there. And this stuff is so rich. You want to make sure you get it all in there. I like to really keep, that's very important that you scrape down the sides of the bowl. You want to make sure everything is completely incorporated in there. Everything incorporated. Wow, I love tasting this stuff while you're cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the thing down. Then we're gonna add our flour in there, little by little. Take it down one more time. So you get all the flour mixed in there one more time here. I think pound cake is the easiest cake to make. It is. It's very easy. Very simple. Okay, that's it. It's very important that you don't over mix your cake, because you'll have a tough cake. Okay. Over here. Get all that extra stuff off of there, because you don't want to leave all that on there. I know you have somebody around that love to eat, lick the beans. Okay. I got my pan already sprayed, greased there. We'll just put it right in the low pan. Very simple here. You get everything out of there. Okay. Spread it around in there evenly. And in the pan real even there. And that's it. We're gonna put it in a 325-degree oven for about an hour. And we'll check back here in about an hour and we'll see how it comes out. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, we back, and let's check out this cake here. See what we got here. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice. Look at that. See that? Get my towel underneath here. I don't burn myself. See that? Nice. I just know it's done by the feel of it. So we're gonna let this cool here about 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna flip it out on here. And we're gonna see how it comes out. While I was waiting on my cake to cook, you know, in my recipe it calls for 3/4 cup of Eagle brand milk, or condensed, sweetened condensed milk, and you'll have a little left over because the can is about this size. You're gonna have this much left over. So what I started doing, I started wondering what I'm gonna do with that much condensed milk. So what I do, I made a glaze for this. I create a glaze, and the glaze recipe is in the description of the video. All this is 2 cups of confection powdered sugar, all the remaining glaze there, which is like 1/4 of a cup, and 2 teaspoons of whole milk. And just mix it together, and this is what you come out with. A nice glaze to put on top of the cake later on when it come out of the pan. But I'll be back in about 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna let this cool. We'll pop it out of here, put it on here, put the glaze on there, and slice it up there, and we'll see how it looks. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. We're gonna see if we can get this out of here. We'll go down the edges here just to make sure it comes out. There we go. Pop it there. Okay, now I'm gonna put my glaze on top of here. No science how you put the glaze. I just put it on there, let it flow over it. Just flow over it. Let it flow over it evenly. How easy that is. And you don't have to put a glaze on it. You can just do it plain. Just like that. A bit more there. Get it all on there, all inside the crevices. And I like to put my glaze on where it's warm, because it'll soak into the cake. That's it. Very simple. And we're gonna let that sit there for a little bit. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut it and we're gonna show you how it looks. I'm gonna slice it up for you. Okay, y'all. Old school. Sweetened condensed pound cake. Old school sweetened condensed milk pound cake. Let's cut this thing up here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, look how moist that is. Wow. Look at that moist in that pound cake. Wow. Try a little of this. How moist that is. The end piece. Try this. Wow. So moist. Old school condensed pound cake. Recipe online. Old school soul food. YouTube. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching my video. Like I say, please share, please subscribe to my video. Share this video with others. Like I say, this is an awesome cake. Nice and moist. Tender. Sweet. You need to try this recipe. But until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.